Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So let me show you how I was able to design this flyer. So in my previous lesson I have done a video on this design. So this is another design for this trending concept. So let's get started. So you can check my video for this. So where I created the background. So first draw, then I'm going to import my images. Import. So these are the images here. So I'm going to use this. So I'm going to import this here. So here is my man. So now here the main thing to do. So I'm going to have an ellipse design. Then I'm going to duplicate here at the center. Then I'm going to scale this up a little bit. Okay. So then I'm going to pull this up again. Good. Then I'll come to my 2.9. Then I'll join this together. Again, come and join this together. Then I'll come to my smart fill. Sorry, let me put this down. So my smart fill. Then I'm going to do this. So this and this I'm going to red. This and this I'm going to wear this together. So I'm going to delete my previous circle. So as you can see here, so this can come down and I can add something like this. Can you see? So now let me just jog this down a little bit. Now the next thing is I want to segment this. So just have something like this. Can have something like this right here a little bit. Okay, so repeat. Okay, I think we have 4. So now I'm going to use my smart fill again here. So I'm going to delete this up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the one down. Can you see? So I'm going to copy this now and make sure I group it first. Then I'm going to press on Ctrl C from your keyboard or Command C using Mac. Then you're going to press Command V or Ctrl V again. Then I'm going to mirror it here. I'm going to move it down here. Good. So it's down. Then I'm going to delete. I'm going to delete this. Good. So now I'm going to group all. Then I'm going to remove the outline. Then I'm going to move out my design here, as you can see. The first thing, I'm going to use envelope for this. So I'm going to copy this property here. So from your envelope, so for you to get your envelope, you go to effect, then click on envelope F12. So it's going to show you here. So here, so after this, then let me bring it back, envelope. So first thing, copy, create envelope from where? From this. So I'm going to click on this here, as you can see. So I'm going to PowerClip this So I'm going to do same for all. Copy, then I'm going to PowerClip these two. As you can see, same thing here. Copy, I'm going to PowerClip these two. Same thing here. PowerClip. Same thing here. I'm going to PowerClip too. See, so make sure you check. Sorry for those who don't know how to PowerClip, let me show you how you can do that. So after you copy this here, can you see? So just go to your object, you can see PowerClip here, then PowerClip inside frame, which frame? This frame. So let me just have something, okay, no, let me duplicate this, and then let me quickly, for some time, let me quickly add this back. So let's go to PowerClip, paste inside. Yeah, I see. So this is having an error here, so I need to delete this knot. Okay, so let me take it back. So now I already have my background here, which I'm going to use. So you can search for, I'm going to put it on next video so you can know how I created this background. Then I'm going to put this here. So I'm going to select this group, Ctrl G, and come here to group. So I'm going to put it down, then I'm going to select these two, then Ctrl G, go up there. So here I have this. So you're going to group both together so that's it won't come up. So now you can now type my file connect, as you can see here. So thank you. I think, sorry, I still have something down here which is going to be the address. So let me just copy this down. So this is our design. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for subsequent updates on our design. Thank you.